Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to find contacts on Instagram. The first step is go to the official app of Instagram, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile, and in the part of your profile you need to go to the superior part, specifically in the superior right corner in the option of these three lines. You pick here, and after that you need to go to the option of account center. So in account center you need to go to the part of account settings and pick here in the button of your information and permissions. So after that you need to go to the option of upload contacts, and you need to choose what account you want to upload these contacts. And for example, you pick here, and after that you need to switch in the option of connect contacts. You restart the application, and that's it. Every person who have Instagram in your contacts is logged with you. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.